you guys, it is Emily and today I am back to show you guys my 5-minute makeup routine, clean girl edition. This is my absolute go-to and I want to thank you Merit for sponsoring this video. They sent me over some goodies and I'm so excited to share them in this video with you guys. Merit is a clean and vegan beauty brand and they are found at Sephora, so if you guys want to pick up anything I am using in this video, feel free to, or I also have a link for you in the description box down below. I am starting off with the Benefit Gimme Brow to do my brows. This stuff is it's so lightweight, super clean and easy to use and precise. I absolutely love it for brows. I'm just making them a bit fuller, nothing too much, and then I'm locking them in place with the Great Lash by Maybelline. This is just like a clear brow gel / clear mascara, and I kind of just brush them up. I like the soapy look, but not fully up. I brush them up and over to the side. If you can kind of tell what I'm doing, you can see on this brow a bit more, but that's my go-to look for these. And this is how they turned out, fluffy, feathery, but not fully soapy, if you know what I mean. And then I'm going in with my camo concealer from e.l.f. This is my go-to camouflage camo concealer, love it. And I'm just covering a tiny amount of spots. Fun fact, I had acne for like a week, which I hated, so I have a bunch of like dark spots left. Oh, and then I'm using the Merit brush. This is my first actual makeup brush, you guys. A lot of my makeup brushes I've had them since I was like 10 years old, so they're over a decade old, and I just washed them for the first time like a year ago, not even like a couple months ago. Anyways, I absolutely love this brush. It blended it in so well, and now I'm curling my lashes. I hate mascara, so I only curl my lashes. It's a me problem, but I like curling them, but I hate the mascara part. When I curl my lashes, I like to do them in 3 separate parts, so the base, middle, and then the very top, just to give them like not an L shape but more of like a U shape curve. There you go, you can kind of see it. I think it looks better just because my lashes are so straight. And then I'm going in with a Becca highlighter. I love highlighting the inner corner of my eye. I don't know who I learned this from, maybe Michelle Phan or someone, but it's always my go-to with this highlighter. My best friend gave me this highlighter a few years ago and I'm still using it to this day. I don't know if that's bad, but it's my favorite for highlighting the inner corner. For the rest of my highlighter, I'm going with the Merit Day Glow Stick. I love this highlighter. It's so natural. It doesn't look over sparkly. It kind of just gives you like a nice glow, sweaty type of look, which I absolutely love. I put that on my nose and on the nose bridge for a nice glow, and then I just follow around my cheekbones. See how nice that is? It's so subtle, but in the sun, or oh my god, at sunset, it looks amazing. And then I also drag a bit of it, like the excess on my finger, onto my brow bone or just underneath it, just for like, you know, an extra glow. I recently added Korean eye glitter into my makeup routine and I absolutely love this stuff. So this is from the brand Ferrier and it's with like it's a collab, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but I just put this stuff underneath, like, is it the waterline under my eye? I'm not too sure, but I just drag it underneath and this is what it looks like without and with on the right side, and I think it just makes your eye pop so much more. It opens it up and it looks so pretty. I love the glitter, so I always just put this under my eye. Honestly, you have to be careful not to get it in your eye because oh my god, it stings, but this is what it looks like and I am really in love with it. I just think my eye pops so much. For the lips, if I am not going with my Etude Fixing Tint, then I am using my Merit Signature Lipstick. This is in the shade L'Avenue, and it's so pretty. It's such a nice red, but on the lips, it's a very nice, like, corally, peachy type of color, I kind of think, with some brown, like, muted brown stuff in there. That's what it looks like on me. And then I am using their lip oil. I love this lip oil. Ever since I got it last year, it's been my favorite. It's so lightweight, so creamy, so moisturizing, but it's not too sticky, and I'm just putting it on top. I think it's a great combination and I am blending it out with my finger. I like a blended type of look, you know, so that's just what I'm doing and this is what it looks like. And then I'm spraying my face with a NYX setting spray. Alright you guys, that is my 5-minute makeup look / clean girl edition. Absolutely love it. Don't forget this video was sponsored by Merit. If you guys liked anything I use, my link is on the screen or it will be in the description box down below if you want to get yourself something. So thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time.